In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively load and track a video using Blender. Whether you're an aspiring visual effects artist or just looking to expand your skills in video editing, understanding how to use Blender's motion tracking capabilities can be a game changer. So let's get started by opening Blender and diving right into the motion tracking workspace. This specialized area in Blender is designed to make tracking as intuitive and efficient as possible. Once you're in the workspace, the first thing you'll want to do is load your video clip. This can be done by importing the video into the background. This step is crucial as it gives you the base upon which the entire tracking process will be built. After loading your video, it's important to click on the Set Scene Frames button. This action ensures that your project timeline matches the length of your clip perfectly. Just below, you'll find the Prefetch option. Clicking this will load the entire video into memory, allowing for smoother and faster processing as we move forward. Now let's talk about motion models. For this project, you'll want to set your motion model to Affine. This model allows for a flexible approach, giving you the ability to track movements that involve some rotation and scaling, which can often occur in real-world footage. While you're there, make sure you enable the Normalize option. Enabling normalization helps stabilize lighting fluctuations across your frames, providing cleaner and more consistent tracking. Next, you need to detect and place tracking markers. These markers should be strategically placed on high contrast features within your video clip, especially in the first frame. High contrast areas are easier for Blender to recognize and follow, so choosing the right spots is essential for a smooth tracking outcome. Once your markers are in place, it's time to let Blender do some of the heavy lifting. You can track forward through the frames by pressing Ctrl and T. This will analyze the footage ahead of the marker's current position. Conversely, if you want to track backwards, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and T. This will move through frames prior to the marker's starting point, ensuring you've covered all aspects. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a tracker may get lost. If that happens, don't worry. You can simply rescale the search area for the tracker and continue tracking. Rescaling the area gives the tracker more possible points of reference, increasing the likelihood of it staying on target. And that's a wrap. You now have a system for loading and tracking video footage in Blender that will enhance your projects and broaden your creative capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.